I don't know exist.
So this is Merlin the cat.
Yep, and there's George as well. He'll probably be at the front, asleep.
Ah. So Merlin looks quite chilled out.
Yeah. Just resting in the sunshine.
And this is laundry. Or is it just some sort of artistic,
Yes,
what is it, display?
It's an artistic
Installation.
installation.
And this is the wife who what happened? She saw Medusa, I guess, right? Suddenly turned into a...
I bought her in an art gallery in Penzance.
Oh, really?
Yep. 50 quid, and she's not marble.
Oh, really?
And the other one that's lurky in here was also 50 quid.
Oh.
And she could actually do with sprucing up a little.
Oh, yeah, I can see her behind the things. You certainly have a unique... Oh, yeah, she's hiding over there.
Yeah. She's lost an arm.
Oh. Well,
But
you
then,
could say she's armless then. You
She
wouldn't
is
worry
armless.
about her, yeah. And John... Wait. Rob, sorry. Well, I'm old too. I forget things very quickly.
Yeah.
Rob Fishburn.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Well, this is Rob. I don't want to sound like a newscaster or something. So I'll just do it.
My ancestors built Thomas Cook's ship.
Oh, really?
Yep, up in Whitby.
Oh.
Thomas Fishburn built the Endeavour.
Oh.
And when they went to Australia, there was the Endeavour. On the second ship, there was a man called Andrew Fishburn, who was a carpenter.
Yeah.
And on the third ship was HMS Fishburn.
Oh.
And
Fantastic.
there are now lots of Fishburns around Sydney.
Well, and how long have you lived in Lamorna?
8 years.
Oh, so we're... Oh, I see. That's not done. But you have character, I must admit. And you got a lot of stuff here, too.
Well, I'm just preparing, I'm just finishing the decking because I've got some friends coming for a barbecue tomorrow night.
Ah.
And they're bringing the steaks.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's what
Cool.
I thought.
So you have a pottery, too?
A what?
A pottery.
Yeah, that's out the back.
Oh,
Let's
I'll-
find some shoes. Actually, I must drink some more beer.
it was interesting.
Keeps me awake.
Interesting. Yeah, I've seen this place before when I've come here, but I've obviously never come. I just came up because you had the music going, so I thought maybe there was somebody live who was performing music.
Well, they're still alive.
Oh, they're still alive. Yeah, I know.
They're playing at this Oakhampton Festival in 2 weeks' time.
Oh,
And there's always a theme.
oh,
And this year it's Under the Sea. And I'm going with a friend who's going as a mermaid.
oh,
And I've got all the gear in there to have a fishing net
Oh.
and a bowler hat and blue nails, which is unusual.
Do you ever go to Galawan? Do you dress up for Galawan?
Yeah, I'm a volunteer at Galawan.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I'm off there.
Oh, great.
And if we win the competition as the best dressed, craziest people,
Yeah.
we get free tickets for next year.
Oh,
So that's pretty cool.
yeah,
So
yeah.
we're trying.
Galawan is weird, though. When I've seen at least the winter solstice, the last one I found a bit
Oh,
scary.
Talk to the lady who lives up there. She's into summer solstice, underneath the big tree.
Oh, well, yeah, maybe I won't. But
I'm not.
so
sure
do you have so where's your pottery?
It's in the greenhouse,
Oh, cool.
but the pots are actually in here.
Well, it's kind of interesting. Definitely something unique for me since I've just met
still
you.
tacky.
Yeah.
I'm trying desperately to clean the windows, and it's really hard work, and I can't get the smears off.
Oh.
Because when I go to Oakhampton, I've got some Airbnb guests. So I'm just going to put on these flip-floppy things, whatever they're called, sandals, aren't they?
Yeah. Big house. Must
Yeah,
be
so-
nice.
So this
nice.
is my collection of art.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Do you have any Lamorna Birch?
Yeah. I can show you some Lamorna Birches. That's Lamorna Birch.
But is that is that a print or original?
Oh, that's original. I
Oh.
only buy originals.
Oh. Well, you come down to St.Ives sometimes buy one of my originals. Or you could buy the whole lot. That would be even better.
Yeah, I'm sure it would. I met a man in the pub a few days ago when it was open,
Yeah.
and he wants to sell me one of his paintings.
Yeah, well, that's what artists are like, you know.
Um,
As soon as you show an
What else
interest
we
in
got?
their
That's
their paintings, then boy, I get camera
this
shake.
is Lamorna Birch. So that's a bridge across the River Tamar between Plymouth and
Oh, yeah.
Gunners Lake.
So that's like a watercolor?
That's a watercolour.
Yeah. Yeah.
He didn't do many oils.
Oh, I thought he did a lot of oils.
No, he did not that many.
But his son still lives here, right? I think.
Oh, his son's in Canada at the moment.
Oh, really?
His girlfriend.
Oh.
Lamorna Birch married Morney.
Yeah.
Morney had Adam Kerr, who's died,
Yeah.
but Judith Kerr, who's Canadian,
Yeah.
lives at Flagstaff down the bottom,
Oh.
and she's an artist.
Yeah, the problem with Cornwall is there's so many artists, you find it interesting if you meet a plumber. No.
Yeah, well, yeah.
No, I think it's good that there's a lot of artists, but
Yeah.
it is very, very
So
competitive.
these are some of my pots.
Pots. Just a second here. I'm trying to move this slowly, because if I go too fast, nobody can see anything. Oh,
So that's okay.
yeah.
What else did I make? I didn't make those.
Oh,
No, someone else made these. So those are mine there. Oh, something must be mine. Nope, can't see it.
oh well.
In the next room, there's much more of mine.
I try to avoid this thing where I move the camera too fast and then people
Yeah.
can't see things.
So all these. Oh, where are the bowls gone? That's mine. Those are all mine.
Yeah.
These are all mine. Those are all mine.
Nice outdoor look. Oh yeah. That's nice.
This is a Lamorna Birch. That's a Lamorna.
Are those worth much at the moment because they're Lamorna Birch?
No, not necessarily.
Really?
I
Yeah.
just like them. That's a Lamorna Birch. That's the key as it used to be.
Oh.
So that's a pencil sketch. What else?
The key is kind of, yeah, they're never gonna, I mean, the pier, I guess the pier got a little damaged
And
during the
that's a Lamorna
storm.
Birch, which is St. Loy's Cove.
Yeah.
There must be some lights in this house. I'm never not sure where they are. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, it must be there.
It's sort of your privacy, isn't it?
Privacy seems to have gone by the board.
And that looks like it's, what is that?
That is an old girlfriend of mine called Rita Smith who lives in Plymouth.
No, I was thinking about, oh yeah, okay.
And she went on a cruise ship to Antarctica as the
Looks
resident
Antarctic.
artist.
Oh really?
Yep. And
Wow.
when she came back, she painted that, and I just loved the icebergs. And
Oh wow.
she's really.
Antarctica was,
Anyhow,
There's a bit of
because
reflection
we were
off it.
lovers, she reduced it from 1,000 to 900,
oh, that
which
was,
is not a lot.
no, it isn't a lot.
Couldn't have been that much of a good as a lover. And that's a Rita Smith, so she does abstracts.
Right. You got a lot of
That's
paintings.
the next one is a Marlowe Moss copy, which I did.
Oh,
Yeah, and then there's things from Cambodia.
and what is that boat one?
That's a lady that I rather fancied, except I've just learned that she's getting married to someone and going to live in Charlestown.
Oh,
But never mind.
yeah. I think the outside is nice. Nice,
Yeah.
beautiful day.
We'll go to the pottery next.
Oh, the pottery, okay. Oh, I thought that you were showing, okay, right, we'll see that. Boy, it's so damn hot, isn't it?
Oh,
Man, you get in here, it's boiling.
I know, it makes the plants grow.
You got a lot of space.
Yeah. So the pottery's a bit sad at the moment
That's okay.
because I have kiln 1,
Right.
which doesn't work. I have kiln 2, which is connected,
Yeah.
but I have to replace all these bits that I bought recently. So I
Yeah.
bought new bits for it. And you can see that I haven't got round to it just yet. And that's my avocado, and it has no fruit.
This is an avocado plant?
Yeah.
Boy, that's because I've tried to grow avocado plants and they sort of, well, I guess if you leave them inside in a pot, they don't last that long.
Well, it's in the ground. It's just.
But no fruit. Maybe it needs,
no fruit. Maybe I need 2 avocado plants.
well, maybe it's maybe it needs like a male and female avocado?
Yeah. I don't know. I've got to look that one up.
Yeah.
And here's a. This actually works as a potting wheel amongst the flowers.
Yeah.
So this works,
Oh.
and I'm ready to produce a pot.
Is it's kind of hot at the moment. I bet it's a bit easier when it's not so
Yeah.
hot.
And I need to do a little bit of weeding. And
Yeah.
eventually this is all going to be shelving for all the glazes and everything else. And that's a kiwi fruit, but that doesn't produce any fruit either.
I
That
don't
probably
know.
needs another one. So, yeah, it's lovely and warm in here.
It's really warm. I don't sunbathe much. I gotta watch it with the sun. It's really, well, people do. Some people kind of overdo it, I guess. That's a
Yeah.
nice plant. A nice bird. Oh, nice trees. I love that. The foliage here is so nice. Reminds me more of where I was brought up, actually.
Yeah.
But it's amazing how things change from, sort of a the sea and the cliffs where there's not much foliage, and you come to Lamorna and suddenly it's, yeah, it just really, I think that's more typical of the South Coast as well.
Yeah.
But,
And of course this is in a steep valley where if the wind's howling up there,
yeah,
down here,
yeah,
it's nothing.
yeah, right, yeah. Well, it is that when you go to
Today it's windless, these trees are hardly moving.
yeah.
Those are my gauges up there.
Well, I shall now say, what?
What?
Thank you for showing me around your
you
very
captured it?
characterful place, and I'll carry on with my walk.
Yeah.
So, Rob,
Oh, an email address.
my email. You want?
Or my email, or
Oh yeah, okay. What is it?
I'll write it down.
Okay. Okay, okay, right. Actually, I'll stop the video now, probably. Okay. Oh, look, there's a nice picture. The one on the wall there. This is
That was the
interesting.
lady who used to live here, who was a raku potter.
Oh. Yeah, interesting. Okay, I will